Hi, it's Cathy with Her Certified.
And Sofia.
And this is test drive number 617. It's the 2021 Lexus RX 350. It's an SUV, as you know, and it is all-wheel drive. Now, Sofia, I normally give the three things that I like, but I know you pointed out three things that you did. What are your favorite three things?
I really like the 8-inch wide touchscreen.
Yes.
I love the cordless.
You went crazy with that. The cordless.
The cordless phone charger. And I love the fact that it has a humongous storage compartment where I can secretly
oh my gosh,
store my bag of chips that nobody knows about.
Well, I'll tell you what, those are your favorite three things, and I'm going to come back in a second with my favorite three things. But for now, be safe, wear your mask,
Wear it.
and talk to you soon.
Bye.
Hi. So one of my favorite is this color, Nori Green Pearl, it's called. It's a very pretty green. I'm not a person that normally would buy a green car, but this is pretty cool. So that's one of my three favorite things, the color. One of the second things is the double stitching on the interior, which I think is such a beautiful added. Now, this is not real leather, so it's leather-like, and yet it comes across as very, very luxurious. And here is my third. I own an RX 350. It's 2 years older than this one, but I just love this kick to open up the, look at this. Perfect. There you go. Those are my three favorite things. So MSRP is under $42,000 and as tested under $62,000. Not bad.